So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set sign-in order in Docusign. So firstly, in the envelope preparation view, add your required list of recipients. Check the box labeled Set Sign-in Order to reveal the routing number fields. Review the sequential numbers that automatically appear on the far left side of each recipient's row. Now, change the numbers in the routing boxes to establish your preferred step-by-step sign-in sequence. Assign the same number to multiple recipients if you want them to receive and sign the document simultaneously. Now click View to open the sign-in order, diagram, and visually verify the document's routing path before sending. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.